wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're going to have a fantastic day today. God bless you all. All praise be to Jesus Christ. Alright, so as of right now, we had a nice little daily leapfrog. We lost our daily VWAP, came right back down to our previous day VWAP. A nice little daily leapfrog here. We weren't able to hold it as support. As of right now, it did not hold as support, and it has broken through and is coming down. The next area I would be watching is this quarter 3 VWAP that we pretty much at right now. 77,471 has already wicked down to this previous quarter 3 VWAP. Now we could hold support here and perhaps try to come back up to this previous day and maybe even the daily leapfrog to one of these two VWAPs off of this previous quarter 3 VWAP. And if we're not going to hold that quarter 3 VWAP, then we know we're probably going to leapfrog the quarterly VWAPs here from the previous quarter 3. We lost it. We leapfrog right down to our previous quarter 2 VWAP. If you want access to just a best VWAP indicator in the world, shout out to Flapping Groper, Nick Cypher. This is his indicator, and he's changing lives with it. We appreciate you, Nick. Thank you. If you want access, the link is in the description below. It's $100 for the indicator for a lifetime. It's $100 only for this indicator. You get lifetime updates. Anytime an update comes out, you'll get it. And it is $25 for the premium Discord. I highly suggest you stay in the Discord, but you do not have to keep paying the $25 monthly. You will get the access, infinite access to the indicator, whether you're in the Discord or not, but I highly suggest staying inside the Discord. Now, on the 1 hour, we did just get a nice little trigger wave. I'm looking to see if we've already lost the previous day VWAP. Now I'm just trying to see if we're gonna hold the quarter 3 VWAP here. If we start opening candles like we've seen here, if we open candles underneath, then we can expect to move down to our quarter 2 VWAP at 74.5. Money flow is draining out. Let's go to a higher time frame, the 4 hour. Oh yeah, I feel like she's gonna get hit. Red dot coming in on the 4 hour curve. The curve to the downside on the money flow. It doesn't look like she's gonna peak over. Your RSIs are also have good curves to the downside to them. So the quarter 2 VWAP is definitely in play if we're not gonna bounce off this quarter 3 VWAP. And if we are bouncing, I'm looking for rejection at the daily VWAP. Break her back down on the lower. At the daily VWAP, or previous day, or this daily VWAP. We are starting, maybe we need that money flow to really curve up with the RSIs tight green. They are tight. They are green. I would like a nice little curve on them with some a couple of bullish momentum candles on that 10-minute right here around this previous quarter 3 VWAP. So these are the levels I'm watching. We have lost the previous day VWAP, so to the upside, the daily VWAP would be strong resistance, as well as this previous day right now. What was support is now resistance. So if we are going to get back above these levels, which honestly I don't think we are, 81k, 80k would be our next move up, but I do feel like we'll come lower. We'll come just a bit lower, probably to this quarter 2 VWAP, just with how everything is looking. This 5-day looks awful. I've been pointing out how the money flow has been leaving the markets on these higher time frames. Money flow has just been steadily leaving the markets, and even the last couple of hours I've been noticing when money flow does come in on those lower time frames, it's very thin. Yeah, it's still looking pretty bearish on the higher time frames. So those are the levels I'm watching. If we're gonna lose that quarter 2 VWAP, if we're gonna lose the quarter 2 VWAP, I was talking about it on the video yesterday. We're probably gonna hit previous all-time highs at this previous year-to-date VWAP. and that could really put in a good bottom if we're going to continue to all-time highs this year, or even this 2023 low. It's from the September of 2023 low, I think September 11th, Monday, September 11th. You can place an anchor VWAP there, and it's been the VWAP that's really held us up throughout the whole run up since September of last year, or 2023, excuse me. Since September, this VWAP comes right down to it, blasts it off, comes right back down to it. We never open candles underneath it. Okay, we did wick down, but she's held us every time. So if we're gonna lose this 2023 low VWAP that's held price action up to all-time highs, I would consider it a bear market, me personally. But these are the levels I'm watching for. If you can only panic if we start losing that 74K and it only makes sense. Bitcoin always comes back down to revisit all-time highs, right? So if we are going to bottom out and we're still going to make an all-time high this year, I'm looking for either this to be the bottom or this 2023 low to be the bottom. And if we're losing these, then I think Bitcoin hit an all-time high in 2025 like it was supposed to. So that's it for me. God bless you all. I hope you all have a great day. I'm out.